to visit the Sunshine State. Now the Everglades. The reason we have the Everglades is because of all the wildlife we have in it. This entire system of animals keeps this ecosystem thriving. The American alligator is a keystone species. They're responsible for digging holes, creating alligator holes. In sunlight, that's how they charge up their bodies, they warm up their metabolisms. Some forceful facts on them, all right? I told you they can bite 1,800 pounds of pressure per square inch. They can... He's a lot faster these days, so we got him a cute little harness. Left, right, left, right. We're doing the gator walk.
He's doing it.
Yeah. Good boy, Mac. Let's give it up for him.
Thank you.
This little guy was found kicked out of the nest, and he was discovered in a sugarcane field by a researcher. Now, when that researcher, when that researcher found him, he noticed that this bird had open, gaping wounds all around his neck. So this bird was brought